Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about another disease, that is COVID-19 or Corona, which most of you might be familiar about. As we all know, the entire world is in the fearful grip of this dreadful virus, which has started acquiring its monstrous form and even has the ability to wipe out the entire human civilization or race. And we know it had its emergence in the Hunan seafood market in Wuhan in South China, which later spread out to each and every part of the world, due to which it was declared as a medical emergency by the World Health Organization. Now, what are the possible symptoms of COVID-19 or Corona? It ranges from mild to severe symptoms, severe in the sense severe respiratory illnesses, and also you may receive symptoms similar to that of which you might have when you have a fever or cough and cold. Now, what are the possibilities that you can get infected by this particular virus? If you are in direct contact with the infected person, you have higher chances of contracting this disease. Otherwise, if you are exposed to the respiratory droplets like coughing or sneezing droplets, or if you touch the surface where the infected person had been in touch with, because the recent studies have proved that the virus can remain on the surface top for about 2 days. Now, with regard to treatment, there is no specified treatment or vaccine which has been invented in order to tackle this virus. Therefore, we need to take certain preventive measures, like trying to stay indoors as long as possible. If you're required to go outdoors, always make it sure that you wear a mask which completely covers your nose and mouth, and also making it a habit to wash your hands frequently with soap and water for about 20 seconds and using an alcohol-based sanitizer. Also, if you suffer from any kind of illness, try to stay at your home and seek medical attention rather than rushing to the hospital. But if it's a case of medical emergency, you can go to the hospital, because frequently visiting the hospital would increase your chances in order to contract the disease. So this was just an overview about COVID-19 or Corona, and always, as usual, additional points could be added to it, and it's a topic which can be spoken for about hours and hours. So I hope that I made sense and this information was useful to you. Thank you.